What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to open up an LLC in New York. So in New York, you want to make sure when you have an LLC established and you want to open like a business bank account, a business credit card, you need to make sure that you file your LLC and you also get the EIN number. So when you get an LLC, you always have to renew it every year to keep it active. I just want to mention that and keep it in mind with you guys. So you have, I just want you guys to have that and keep that in mind, and also to get your EIN number. The EIN number is almost like the social security of the business. It's like an 8 to 9 digit code that you get from the IRS. And this is a one-time thing that you get and you use. And yeah, once you have the EIN number, most like when you apply for a business bank account, a business credit card, they're always gonna ask for that EIN number. So by the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to start your LLC, get it established. They're gonna be real fast and quick for you guys. No fluff, no, just straight to it. If you wanna follow along, I'm gonna have a link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments of the website I use. So that way you can walk through the whole process with me and literally you can have your LLC established today. Let's get started. So in front of me here, I have Zen Business. Highly recommend it because this is what I use to start up all of my LLCs. I sell full-time on Amazon. This is how I make all of my money online. And Zen Business is the #1 thing that I use to start my LLCs. So you want to have a business name in mind already. For me, let's say Midtown Power, let's say Power Sales. Or let's put Power Seller. The other one sounded weird to me. Midtown Power Seller. And you don't have to put LLC because they are already going to put it there for you. So you want to have a business name already in mind that you're going to use, and then you're going to click Start in LLC. So once you get started, you're going to click this little button on the bottom right, and then it's going to ask you a couple of stuff. What state do you want to file in? We're going to put New York. I'm going to just type in New York here, and there you go. So you have to pick which county are you filing in. So it all depends on the county, right? For this example, I'm going to pick, let's see, Franklin County. Okay, let's click this. How much experience do you have running a business? Let's put some, or depends on you. If you have none, you can click none, or lots. We're gonna click next here. Will your business have employees for the first year? No, it's just gonna be me because I sell online. It's usually just me in the business. If you have some partners or anything like that, you can put yes. Will your business address be different from your home address? For me, I always pick no because I sell online, I sell on Amazon. So it's always usually my home address that I use for like my online sales. If you have a retail store, storefront, anything like that, of course you'll pick, that it is different, but it all depends on your situation, right? So for me, ideally, I always pick no because like I said, I sell online and I always use my home address for my address. How far along is your business? I plan on launching it soon, 1 to 2 months. Or if you're already making money, you can click that. Planning for the future, right? Pick what's according to you. What are your business goals? Side business, primary income, the next big thing. For me, it's just my primary income. I'm gonna click next. What kind of business are you forming? So you have the industries here. If you click this little drop box over here, you're gonna see a ton of industries that you could choose from. For me, I do e-commerce, so I'm gonna just put in e-commerce here, right? Because I sell online, sell on Amazon and stuff. So yeah, e-commerce. Next, do you want to save the progress? We're almost done, so no, we're just gonna keep going with it. All right, now it's gonna ask you for a couple of add-on stuff. Save time with New York Publication Service. Requires you to publish their name in 2 newspapers for 6 weeks straight. All this is publish their name in 2 papers. No, we're gonna skip this here, right? Nope. We're going to skip this here because that's an add-on. And now they're going to ask if you want to be your own state required agent. So like I said in my other videos, I recommend you to be your own registered agent, especially if you live in New York. Usually if you don't live in New York and you're trying to file an LLC in New York, then you would require a state registered agent because you need to be living in the LLC to create the LLC, right? Living in, like I say, living in New York to create an LLC in New York. So I would say 90 to 95% of the people watching this would be their own registered agent. I'm always my own registered agent when it comes to creating LLCs. Ideally, you would maybe want somebody else as a registered agent. Let's say if you're like, your business is like a multi-million-dollar business and trying to save on taxes, or your CPA recommends you something like that, then maybe you would have a registered agent in a different state. But like I said, the majority of people watching this video ideally should be their own registered agent. So let's go back here, and I'm going to appoint myself as the registered agent. We're going to click next here, and then I want to appoint someone else, which is going to be yourself, right? And click next here. And now you're going to have a couple of packages to choose from, right? For New York, the state filing fee is $205. So that's what I really like about Zen Business is because you don't really have to pay to use their service if you use the starter, right? It's $0 to use their service, but you have to pay the state filing fee of $205, which is, it's just by New York. New York is charging you this. To file it, it does take a little bit longer, 2 to 3 weeks, and you don't get the EIN number. It's something that you need. With the Pro, if you pay a little bit extra, you get it filed in 1 to 2 business days, and you also get the EIN number, which is pretty good. So it all depends on your situation and you know what you're trying to do. If you want to save, right, you want to use a starter. Look, I'm going to show you guys something really cool. You click here, and you can pay for a little add-on of just to get the EIN number for $99 if you want to save a little bit. And you get the starter, wait 2 to 3 weeks, and you also get the EIN number, which is pretty cool. Or you could go with the Pro, get it done really fast, and you can start your business and get your business established pretty quick. So let's go with this for this example here, right? And now you're gonna get a bunch of more or less add-on features that they're trying to charge you, like a business bank account. We're gonna click no thank you. Bookkeeping, no thank you. Website builder, no thank you. And no thank you. Okay, now you're just gonna type in your personal information for the business. I'm gonna put some random stuff here because this is pretty much an example. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay, now you have the total due, which is going to be $404, which is the Pro of $199. That gives us the EIN number as well, and rushed filing. And okay, and the New York State filing fee of $205. And once you have that, you're pretty much set to start your LLC and get your LLC established. If you want to use the starter, which was $0, it'll just be $205 total. Pretty good, pretty easy. By the end of this video, like I said, you should pretty much have your LLC established. If you want to, follow along, do this whole process, like I said, I have the link in the description down below. I'll also have it in the pinned comments. I'll try to have it there for you guys so you guys can just click it, follow along the whole process, get your LLC done by today. Honestly, having your own business is probably one of the best things that you can personally do, and to help yourself grow. Because like for me, I've only worked like one real job my whole life, and then for the majority of my life, like I've owned my own businesses. I've even owned like my own food truck years back. Like there's a lot of businesses and things that I've failed in, things that I've succeeded, but yeah, I wouldn't trade it for nothing. Being your own boss it's hard, but it's super worth it and super fulfilling when all the hard work that you put in, you're getting back. So yeah, hopefully this video is helpful to you guys. If you have any questions regarding any of this, leave a comment down below. Also, it doesn't hurt to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Really appreciate it. This channel is pretty new. Once, you know, if you get your support, hitting that subscribe, hitting that like, if this video was helpful to you guys. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Any questions, leave in the comments down below. I'll respond to them. See you guys on the next one. Peace.